Hello everybody. The new Read Writing sound today is it's a stretchy sound and it's zzz. Can you say that? Zzz. Zzz. Well done. So let's look at some pictures of things that begin with Z. We've got a zebra. We've got a zip. We've got a zero, number 0, and we've got lots of animals at the zoo. So we've got a zoo, a 0, a zip, and a zebra. Okay, so if I hold them up, I wonder if you can tell me what they all are. Remember, they all begin with Z. Ready? Well done. So when we do a Z, we make it like a zip. So here's my zip. And we say zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. So I'm going to show you my card. And when you see this side, I want you to say the sound, which is Z. And when you see this side, I'd like you to say zip. Okay? Well done. So let's have a look again at the Z sound, Z for zip. So when we do a Z, we pretend we're going down a zip. And the rhyme we say is zig, zag, zig. Zig, oops. Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Can you have a go? Zig, zag, zig. I wonder if you can do 5 Z for me. Zig, zag, zig. What we're going to do now is I'm going to put the Z sound in the sounds we already know. And we can see how brilliant we are at reading them. See if you can beat Mrs. Bradley at reading the sounds. You know, all my cards are the wrong way around and I don't know how. They're all mixed up. Let's have a look. So I'm going to hide Z in here. Are you ready? D. Mmm. Mmm. W. L. K. A. Z. Gotcha. Well done. Let's hide it again. T. K. A. G. Z. Gotcha. One more time. O. P. J. I. R. Yeah. Z. Gotcha. Well done. Excellent. So I'll pop them all in then. I'm going to give them a big shuffle. ready for next time. Oh, we didn't read this sound. What's this sound? Do you remember? Shh. Well done. Okay. Give them a good shuffle. Now, what word am I saying now in Fred talk? What word am I saying? Dog. 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 Can you hear what word I'm saying? Dog. 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 Can you help me write dog using my sounds? Now, what do I need first? What's the first sound you can hear in dog? Dog. Say dog for me. What's the first sound you can hear? D. What's the next sound you can hear in dog? What do I need next? I've got D, and I'm writing dog. D. O. Dog. 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 Can you say that? Dog. Well done. Can you have a go of making dog or writing dog using, if you've got these cards at home, you can use these, or you can ask your grown-up to write some sounds on bits of paper and you can put them in the right order to make dog, or you can even write your letters to write the word dog. Let's look at another one. What about button? Button. Button. What word am I sounding out there? Can you work it out? Button. 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 Bin. Bin. Can you help me then spell the word bin? Bin. What's the first sound you can hear in bin? Bin. It starts with a B. What's the next sound in bin? B. Bin. B. E. B. E. Bin. B. E. N. Oops. B. E. N. B. E. N. B. E. N. B. E. N. Bin. Can you make that? I'll have a go. Well done. Right, we'll do one more word. And this time, I'm just going to say the word and I'm going to see if you can help me make it with my cards. Okay, and the word is mud. Can you say the word mud? Turn to a grown-up and say mud. Well done. Can they say it back to you? Mud. Well done. Now, let's see if we can make the word mud using my cards. Can you help me? What sound do I need first? Mud. Mud. Well, I'm making the sound first, so that must mean that is my first sound in mud. What's next? Mud. M. A. M. A. Mud. M. A. D. M. A. D. Mud. Can you make that word? And can you sound it out? Let me know how you get on. Well done, boys and girls.